Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply find your Binance wallet address. So once you've logged into Binance, make sure you have an account. And if you do not possess an account, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you can simply register and verify your account to stand a chance to win 100 USDT worth of trading fees rebates. So now once you've logged in with your verified account, which is a must, in order to find your Binance wallet address, you simply head over to this deposit icon, which is here. So click on this deposit here. And once you selected deposit, select the cryptocurrency option that I have crypto assets. So click on this I have crypto assets and you're met with the coin list where you can simply scroll through and check for any of these cryptocurrency assets you wish to send. But a simpler method would be just using the search bar, which is at the top of the screen, to search for BTC. Now, once you've selected BTC, you're met with various networks. That's both the BNB Smart Chain, the BEP2, the BTC, SegWit, the Ethereum, ERC20, and the Lightning Network, which is new. So you simply select any of the networks you wish to send your Bitcoin in. And I'm going to use the main network, that's the BTC. Okay, guys, and once you selected Bitcoin, you're met with the network, the wallet address, and the wallet that you're receiving it in. That's either your funding or your spot. So now, what you need to do is quite simple. At the receive icon, which is here, you can click on this receive icon to receive using your Binance Pay. Once you've scanned this QR code, your wallet address is going to be shown and you can simply send your tokens using that wallet. But please make sure that the network you've selected is the Bitcoin network and the receiving network and the sending network match. So once you've done that, once you've copied your wallet address, you can simply do a test run. And that test run is by simply sending a small amount of the Bitcoin to this receiving wallet address where you can simply receive these tokens or receive these funds and confirm the deposit. So now, another option, or if you're looking to get other cryptocurrency assets, you could simply search for Luna. That's the Luna C or the Luna Classic. So let's go with the Terra Classic. Click on the Terra Classic network. So now this particular token, you're going to need the memo and the wallet address in order to receive your tokens, else your tokens will be lost. So please make sure the wallet address you're copying uh, is correct and the memo you're copying is correct as well, seeing as you could easily lose your funds if your wallet address isn't properly placed. So you can simply copy your wallet address and copy the memo and make the payments, and then you can cross-check to see, and then you can come back to confirm the deposit. So now once you've confirmed the deposit, then we know that your transfer has worked. Okay guys, that's how you can simply find your Binance wallet address. Do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can go by any of that and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.